Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. My story today deals with a topic familiar to nearly all teachers: illness due to working in schools. In February 2023, I started feeling fatigued and coughing a great deal. I had no fever, so I thought it was just a cold. However, after a month of experiencing these symptoms, I went to a walk in clinic and was tested for various seasonal illnesses. It turned out to be strep throat. Fast forward to the next school year. November 2023 was a month of misery. I was fatigued. I had a cough. I even lost my voice when I had an important presentation to give. Finally, I thought enough was enough, and I went to a different walk in clinic. The diagnosis: strep throat again. After I started taking the medicine I needed, I felt so much better. In the same calendar year, I experienced strep throat twice. So, if you have an illness that does not lead to a fever but does lead to symptoms such as fatigue and a persistent cough for more than a week, I highly recommend going to be tested for seasonal illnesses. I wish I had been tested within a week rather than waiting an entire month. Save yourself months of misery and find out if there is a medicine that can help you. If you are experiencing an illness at this time, I hope you feel better soon. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.